In the last lecture we have seen the addressing mode, immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, based addressing mode, and index addressing mode. Now the next addressing mode is based index addressing mode, where the effective address is the addition of one base register and one index register. As the name indicates that the effective address is the addition of one base register. So the base register may be BX or BP, and index register may be source index register or destination index register. So here the effective address is the addition of one base register and one index register. So example is move AL comma BX plus SI. So here the effective address is the addition of BX register and SI register. Okay, so that is why it is called as the based index addressing mode. You have to give examples for each and every addressing mode. Okay, then relative based index addressing mode. So here the effective address is the addition of one base register, one index register, plus the 8-bit or 16-bit displacement field. Okay, so here the effective address is the addition of one base register. So base register may be BX or BP, index register may be SI or DI, and relative means the displacement field is of 8-bit or 16-bit. Okay, so this is the addition of three: base register, index registers, and displacement. So the example is move DL comma BX plus SI plus 05. This is the example, which is the addition of one base register, one index register, and the displacement fit is 05H. Okay. Next is string addressing mode. So this string addressing mode is used for the strings in which there are two strings. One is source string and second is destination string. So source string is always stored into the DS register and destination string is always stored into the extra segment. Source string is always stored into the data segment and destination string is always stored into the extra segment. The effective address of the source string is always in the source index register. Okay, and the effective address of the destination string is always stored into the DI register. So the string instruction assume SI to point to the first byte of word of the source operand and DI to point the first byte of word of the destination operand. Okay, so string addressing modes are used for the strings. Next is addressing mode for accessing IO ports. So here there are two addressing mode: direct port mode and indirect port mode. So 8086 is using the port addressing, in which the input and output can be taken by the input and output ports. So in the direct port mode, the address of the input or output port is given into the instructions. See here, for the ports there are only two instructions: in and out. Okay, so these two instructions are used for the port addressing. So in the direct port mode, the port address is specified into the instruction. So in AX comma ATH means it takes the input data from input port, that is called as the ATH, means the address of that port is ATH, and it is loaded into the AX register. Out 08H comma L means it copies the contents of A register to the output port whose address is 08H. So in the direct port mode, the address is specified into the instructions, while in the indirect port mode, this address is stored into the DX register. Okay, the address is stored into the DX register. The example of this is in AL comma DX. So this address is stored into the DX register. Next is stack memory addressing mode. So in this addressing mode, push and pop instructions are used to push the data on the stack, and pop is used to retrieve the data from the stack. Next addressing mode is implied addressing mode, in which the operand field is empty. Like this, move instruction is having two operand, move al comma bl, so these are called as the operand. So when the operands are absent, then that is called as the implied addressing mode. Like the processor instruction set, there are various instruction which is in the implied addressing mode, like clear direction flag, so this instruction is not having any operand. Set direction flag, clear carry flag, set carry flag, so these are the instruction which are is in the implied addressing mode. Thank you.